Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Notes feature in DMs. Now to use Instagram Notes in your DMs, you have to navigate yourself to your inbox first of all. Go ahead and tap on this inbox option. You will be able to find your notes option right with your profile icon. Once you tap on it, from here you should be able to type in your message that you want to share with people or your followers. And if you want to add in any sorts of music that you like, you can go ahead and select any music by tapping on this music icon and select any music that you like or just search it up. And you should be able to add it over here. Or what you can do is tap on this pin icon or location icon from which you should be able to add in your location as well. Or you can just tap on this GIF button and you should be able to select gift any of the GIF given to you or just search it up by tapping on this search bar. And once you do it, go ahead and tap on this share button located at the bottom right. And once you click on it, your followers should be able to view your notes from their inbox option. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.